Kumasi Fiede, we are fully packed. And we have surprises for you on the 2nd of August. And Untina Omwaha. Memo Makwaba, Naya Run 70, but more 15 Koswanda up into 104.7. As I told you, we're also live on Facebook. We'll be to join here now. Where our comments, our honor, be read the Eddie amount. Sweet Mimi.
Yes, darling.
Now we have a call.
Adumo now, say.
Nami Adumo. Oba half yafe.
The many day.
Acting on Kwana, actual boss one, I say, I know I should add on who I see.
And wow, me bro.
Obrepa.
Me catch
you. May money be mount.
Me patch me here.
Hey.
Me here, pa.
And then come on, chow.
Ade.
Me acting.
One yard. Ade.
As a job at tomb. What's it do you see?
Obi a kasa radio. Wait me.
Well, sure. Say how do be a woman mountain near Casafam Bisa.
Ah, okay. Hold on,
what I say? Come and need you see idea. Assemble. But me some wakwa biem. I hope say be able call. Bra paying Gadafi. Pacho wakwa.
Mejo so many abemo.
Na pacho be able call. I think this is the first time I'm meeting you.
No correct.
Maybe this is the first time. Mimi there. Ejafi ha na oba. This is the first time I'm meeting you. But I also do want to see because of acting now. I say, and you're my fourth
Oh, aside acting, yeah, name about community. Been a ditchem so higher.
Oh, okay.
Opposite Gucci's, and I say, can say, Gucci's, Gucci's, I have right side. I don't know bed or
oh, okay.
Mattress.
I never be to be a quarter. My mattress are found, and I'm on top mattress in town. And me kwa kutobi nti mo amutie na mpesa mbeda menche no wadaroma e kwan da ho ada mimi
o dia ye juma manafon wo koto wo fra
all right let's see for high up 104.7 your favorite radio say Ibrahim Traoré movie na eba na ye bedi ho nkomo akase for mo movie nim e wa ha mimi wa ha Gadafi wa hanom nche be wram ni ebusabusa mo ho nsem kakra because we know say mo start so mo shoot movie a kojon cancel when e de ho project started to internet ne so no kasa bebre ba ho and now no ankasa ba bontin so be kan nema 1 or 2 all face as a challenge with the movie am opese mutwa and how people are stopping him it's movie hide I think it's right say me am bedi mu nkomo na ye bie we are some etiefo hu da movie no ye premiere as I said this on the 2nd of August though e come be for so nya ticket ni bi ato ni ba bi e be koso ni how be say ni betima ba be support ma premiere no aye come on mimi ne Gadafi mpacho mama kwa aba all right my Mr. Teobadie osai kokoi there oh the idea Mimi me no want to be the cast starting Jumadi no
all right
so now you guys are about to premiere Ibrahim Traoré on the 2nd on August. Yeah. Sorry, right?
Yeah, 2nd August.
All right. Dabena must start a movie way. And what was even the motive behind?
Last 2 months.
That's last 2 months.
Okay, last 2 months, yeah. After what?
Now when you crash it, so abre.
Bro. Last 2 months and you shall say ye cha Ibrahim Traoré. Now we say motive na tell humanity and say humanity dey kwajon cancel win.
Okay.
And then the directors and the tenase and say there be beye sini no e dey abo Okina Faso president Abaso e won nyuma pa where dey
oh yes so
enti na decide dey frɛ ye ba mu keke
frɛ mu ba mu keke yeah ba rural play also but ma menko Gadafi honum na me musa ne dressing no dressing is different yeah dressing na Gadafi de TSCA no etiefo betima ba Facebook na wa ba behwe bi cinema we dem se me busa o is this a portray role now play or art ni mo na say debia say ana ordinam
oh there be me that say debia anya say nam denam na say who follow story na Ibrahim captain the special aid no
okay
ni din the Gadafi
okay
no wa binyi
ndro won ho
yeah to mafade ya nyobi na be ka kire say ndro won me ami pia me ba hu say higher man blefi you know I say me wura ha me hu say headu nti awo homa wa ha nyina me nyomo di nkomo asa me gbo wura
piao And I said, no, but be a man answer. All right, me them in pay beyond pescadoo. Benus me per sacrifice.
But yeah,
Minabi.
Schedule the minibi.
Ah,
I made a mini group about mini schedule.
Nadia ain't been now.
Oh, and drone the
two a drew, second drew.
Oh, okay. Young moving him with, as you rightfully said, with Rao play as Gadafi. Obi Bebusa say, then I wunya that role na. Oh, Kwadjoni ni team tina so senior man we near the role we mana one. How did it happen?
Oh, okay. Ni na ne say said the menu about me di kan. I say di kan directors any Kojomo tenase.
Okay.
No mo hwe hu say adwuma no nipa simesi ana so brintin na rule ye dey
Efatan. Okay.
Na directors nye we ndi edikan a
oni ne ye adwuma.
Okay. Nye we ndi edikan nti yenim di obi atumi ye.
Okay.
Sa ro me na se fata minti na mo dey ye dey
edema. All right. Meet me we the movie ni dem ni say premiere beba so aye be kwa akọ ehwe. But obeti mama me one of the scenes obeti maka say scene we dey me play we na mo say scene we dey a guy. Just one scene. When you say scenes thing na come at there, but one scene na utwawie no. Wow, chumutim ka say scene we there. I just want to see how it turns out.
Okay. Funny say baby na ya ne captain na.
Okay.
Na hono. Won say na manfo aye so mpese omuku no.
Okay.
Na me so ya ba sa attack bi an me na o say prevent.
O prevent, okay.
You know. Na one of the guys na wa dress your full bomb. Ti o he na dwen so be blasted. O be approach here na wa ben car no. No so me man kwan no nya ben car na. Asamesi. Ti no say the o say me ye bia me den.
Utimi ye.
Nti eno echi no ebi mu dwane me echi si omo. Nti sa si na ekotwa na no kra no me kai na eden pa later omba ne je me nan sa me tu na eden.
Uprai. Ukafra. But say see there yeah.
See there. Nti eduma ne say there na etoda na
I just can't wait to see that scene with narration now. Yes. Oh man, how because I know say definitely there's going to be a visual effects for our part.
Nah, a honor so no emba ma unhu baby am play.
No, I'm not saying prana, but I can say the way I will see a narrating no. Me person me nya kwan na nka me hwe movie no na me hu how a visual effects because say bomb bi ni ade why no say mu shooting bomb ne ma ho mom dem
bye
to bomb ni na ho
yes share the part come
wow and bonti on the second they say ko hwe bi o
promo no
oh okay I think I've watched one of the trailer no but me myself me share based on breakdowns maybe I missed that part yeah but me bonama hwe but on the second all the same you'll be coming to watch it you know that was Gadafi one of your scenes that play who say it was really different but unfortunately say we pray it's okay my remember Mimi hobby Mimi also part by now who play also Kwadwo frame we say mama supporting with this whole project but part by now also who play
oh my father is minister me heska semso
ni ska o
wo kasa ska o me ho papa
to be good as well to go me so
man dey ndi ni sika o budget da ho I say wo the list ban here say you better have 2 months and this kind of in this car.
Oh okay. So in the movie no with the outfit he also portrayed that that's how you were looking in the movie right? Is it say any ministerial role biana ewombiano you guys were all armed people and I say moye into army and I say was basically say we are one time mutimi shape mu different outfits and I say not solely the ministry na and I say ne team na on the nyina with the exception of Gadafi outfits are all portray yeah na no modie no modie no so no most sam who woman I say it goes like this throughout
Mateo I say baby a positions hono ehia ne bia no eye nechitafo from the army ena e take his position do enti enye say obia say your minister of education or onye sojani
okay
minister of the onye sojani but finance minister me taking care of the money sika ne ho sensem bia no na a free ne camp a sojani.
Okay.
Yeah. And you'll be a minister sitting but few.
I know say I'm catching Gadafi now. We'll be coming to watch the movie, but what's your appetite, kakra? Scene Ben also you could say this scene is a top notch from your side.
Just say my bre.
Yeah, you the kai ba kuma.
Mrs. Nina no dey na the baako any day. Just say na action.
Okay.
I know say me train hunu results and no na me so me train. Na say omo be attack ye no. Me ne baako ye fight na ne boot me hwene say. Me na moja nya asem ketewa.
Me bawo. Wait. Moja no. Is it as a no music scenes no? Is it for the movie or it was a mistake?
Yeah, esie wie me hwene nya asem ketewa.
Oh.
Yeah. Enti me say me tia me twen ahwe said yes particular scene no etie and actions ni nyira say na me nya bi me first time until a whole day no mo de year me training honam nyina until I really want to see because me share send ye ejuma no me akra me modern boy me yere me ye because me hu effort. All
right, if we high up him so 104.7 FM Lewin new movie or about on the 2nd of August our Movie Premiere SG mo hun komo na yedi and senior painful me no more movie that's me and Gadafi and I will actually the stress they even went through any one sample wanting to see the outcome of the whole movie. It should tell you how interesting this movie is going to be. Omo pese also oba behwebi and nti no mo abre but still they are here. Ojo any Facebook at me hear mimi animo abeka say that sorry any Gadafi don't be see be hu nti no we seen any den because a brain with me I can feel it for you people and I know you people are doing an amazing work because trailer kakra na me hear any day you could see much really went into it. I think 2 days ago na me no be din komo and he was saying say when bought an amount of money he spent on the project and the person was asking me say do I think it could be possible and I'm yeah it could be possible because say dream movie ni twa na nko you make mistakes just for say it could be a worker pass e woman at least nipa no ba setting to say yes ka cry na everyone na obedidi obenu munsuo say we dey calculate even welfare nko for the project na say per day bia nipa 100 na was set no so no bia per head 30 cedis cry. Just imagine the amount of money the person will be spending and I'm also see no so mu film ne dey ajiba bia untimi fa mimi nko set so na nka say onko da kete bi so
why will you do that?
You won't do that.
International actress
the same way untimi fa Gadafi so nko na nka say so I think he spent recently some of the cars now my brand na but let's get back. Yenim say movie no mo twa nyina no there are one or two hints by Biba Bonting. Let's clarify the air on that. We saw a video from Ibrahim Traoré talking about say on set no be discovery mode that you guys should stop the movie now mo twa no minim se munim ho asem kakra mbe catch abadwafo at least just to also encourage somebody or say oba betwa bibi efa my Africa ho why am share but it be a kwadwaye ne be a true experiences amusumunya and how he handled it no nipa no so betimi go ahead to do what he or she wants to do. What was the experience like and how did Kojo treat such kind of issues? But will be a bit more
Mekoni say dear TNA the one I share you man say one say you see challenges baby
okay
and attack so by making sure say you man very
baby
and now ABI am fan say Ghana ha or the fancy you know do ABI fancy be 30 million ABI nipa bia be 20 be pen on my wadwin say on pese you man be den
ebekoso
dodo na aka na tai dodo na aka no munyina mo tai chi
okay
yes intino Could you make sure say the course in na be munye den embu ofre na yetna se di ho nkomo yes we say kwan bi e befa so ayden etwa adwuma na wi ma adwuma na ba ni betwa
okay
intino na attacks in there by nyame adom
matimi etwa every all right so Obibeka said now the movie is about to come out and then Gadafi ebeka cheti for said they should expect in the movie and untino. Yeah, the ticket in the prize me bad come before so any biato. But what one thing and now Becca say, oh, aside say against support here. Then never more say, oh, movie way there. It's a must watch. I say obabehe. One thing I share and unti emo being free fee and rameshe movie no.
Kakra mekane say edwuma we nyende na yashasi.
Yeah.
My edwuma bebre. Meka se mbugo bidin a
Opemsuo
de wo ha ne e ka ho ase. Nti edwuma ni muduro ne se de edwuma ni sitie no. Se ya mohu de wuro kura manfo opae den. Ahwe ne ya se bohu de wuro. Ti de meka ne se edwuma ni muduro na panyifo se esewani
nsa okache
edwuma ni bia bako ena ehun sensem bebre wa bonten. Nti se de wo kan emi amenu akodwo ene na mehwe ne TikTok bi no bi bisa no nsem ba ko mienu bi fa ho no se edwuma ne ye hya ase nyende ye hya ase efu beebi na mo pese se de emre bi etwam se de esi twa ne saa ne nde ye twa no enye sa wo se yesesa no mem. Nti edwuma we na eba no eye sonko.
Okay.
So one can saw her costumes from day one. Na even if you na ye koye edwuma ho no ko ye kaska na kodwotua ne day a we mbehyew. Nti edwuma nim sem doso ya kase ye ka de besa.
Sure.
Opemsuo
Ghana fo nyina na enye Ghana fo nko ana ba edwuma we mo mba doso hwe Burkina fo ba Mali fo ba je me kase me ka de besa. Ti mesre ye nuan mo Ghana ha se edwuma na da so nko esiweni ense o ka kire mentwen mo bi nkohwe embeka mo asem nya den
Encho.
E mu nsem doso na edwuma na edwuma mu odu ye we a modu.
Okay. Etiefo entwen mo bi nkohwe na obeka mo asema kiro oti enke ya get your pen ready, get your phones ready. Enche ye de short code a obetimi de ato ticket ni bi betudwa. Saa so na ye be show baby a ebe wa opese okotobi a obetimi akotobi. But as I said, it's coming on the 2nd of August ewo SG mo. Ma member mimi honum Gadafi Kasani, he made mention of outfits. I think my yendi ehoso nkomo kakra. Wo outfit ya we say on say enye easy say mubenya these military outfits na mode a shooty. Obi so beka say ebia obi shia kwa abonten with outfit na military for obi shia wa. Recently we had the case from is it bibi any kwan so nyina hini where people obi share uniform I cover when you buy no obi de hre nenkwa means kai butu for yaw. But how was wo experience no esitie we na mabontin a man for approach you in terms of these military people say I didn't know wash away. I don't know if you get my point.
Omo me try picture.
Opemsuo
Hey, because I'll say they want I share beautiful way and a call viral.
Okay.
Enti obi what are any be onim say acting any they acting.
Okay.
And it sounds so ya trendy. Into sa military personnel on the crowd who are person who try picture. Yeah, what set is we be banning and be videos near there a circle into uniform way there a share and my I don't know. Yeah, true.
All right. One thing I maybe say because Gadafi mentioned with Montari, no. Is this a pamobia dear man?
Yeah, so be an idea.
Wow. And it's Kako human.
Because me were the same thing. Me na me shebi.
Oh, okay. Also shebi.
The same.
Na bansere ni guase.
Well, me sojeni.
It's to be an wash away.
Yes.
To be an wash away. Okay, I can't wait to watch this movie. A country called Ghana there. I'm confessing. I had a ticket, one of the bread, but I couldn't come. But with this, I'm promising I'll come.
Where's on your ticket or whatever?
No, I was not near around. I think I was out of Kumasi or something like that, and it's not Amamamban. But let's get real on this. There've been several times you bought Kumasi Fuechi with Omucha movie Krana Mube Premiere Krana Mokostati. But I've seen Kojo doing something great. I just want to know if you people know what is behind what he's doing. To me, it's great. And yeah, can because a bar you can. It is all yeah, we have to also say it. For the past two movies, that's a country called Ghana. And away, I think Nimi and first premiere no. or ye Kumasi, right? The country called Ghana, he did the first premiere in Kumasi, and he's doing Muya no Kumasi meboa. Manya no Kumasi.
Yes, started
no Accra. Okay, so what changed with this one? More Mr. President Bomna Moye Kumasi. Okay. Why say Moya Muchusi Accra before Kumasi?
It's never true. When you be a Kumasi Hankasakra than a Kumasi too much. When you say it's middle time, Minam Sebraco Jumpesam Cotinacra, so Cotinacra. What's that you want Kumasi? I didn't know Cotinacra, Kumasi. Or you'll be a Kumasi, Edana Kumaso. Maybe I am not the ACNE, on the cinemas, and ya. And no time I be obey Hiano.
Oh, okay.
It's a bass I ain't to me for Juman into until say I started from Accra.
From baby.
And yes, Sadia, your project in your first day behind a PC started from Kumasi, but I am time no. I be a year dating and a ma back when you started from Accra.
Okay. Bonti Waha, he's also part of us. Memman quite maybe on so on some Sami and Sebia and our contribution we are making by Oria. Na fe ne di venue no nkomo number of shows I be and the can be first so nya ticket me Bonti
Opemsuo.
Okay, there are so many ways a cash strategy na dey I can in trying to promote a project. So we share the last movie now or a country called Ghana.
Yeah.
It has been featured on Netflix. Sorry away.
Oh really?
Yeah, they've captured it, but the exact data.
What I know about it is it won some international awards.
That's it.
With that one I came to speak about it, Crower. Amazon Prime.
Amazon Prime.
Oh, then
it's
that was
already.
Yeah. And then and I'm Moton Ohana.
Uncle Heavy.
I have the account subscribed, but on say Musa moving Kogu and I'm say Tom.
You can't rent it
or Namun fan to me kakre.
No, we need to also get us some revenues.
Okay.
The Amazon Prime diet abeba me edi hun komo achi. E ho de mente ase o. Wa subscribe no class still almost rent ya na ato.
They dem bonye de $9.
Okay.
90 cedis.
Hi.
Hey, they no see a copy. $100. Oh, but we are going to watch a tape. Senior Omkain.
That's it. So it's there. Inti. The problem I have is sometimes where I am could you differ so a promoting in movies in
Okay, and what's the problem?
This particular movie, a new home Traoré, the oil or a hormone. Nobody has an exact information as to what is really happening there.
Okay.
But what I say?
Yeah.
So how he was able to gather information and how he was able to get an intel information when the mandate need the right crowd to shoot a movie here to showcase to other people say this is what is happening in my country right now. It's a plus.
Yeah.
Nobody has that, and I said it doesn't come just by chance.
Yeah.
You know, when we are using a strategy to promote the movie, sometimes I mean say I grow no door so kakra. There was a blogger be on nenam. Now I go inside way Lewen then you are comparing Lewen to those boys in Ketwabina or Mobana or Moya, you know. Charlie, these things. Now when the heat in the baby brea, the only thing he has to do is to come live and then explain.
Okay.
Then you both are shifting attention in free projects na yeah. Now obia and on you on the I mean can't Riley. Let me be frank with you. 16 ratings on. I am emotional about it. 16 ratings on, bro.
Me see oti.
And okasa free asanteme mu na okasa we asantinia. Na we will be here. Edientia. Bibia yebetimi aye. Back in campus on. Bibia metimi aye. Ade bia eye obi din bia no. Kumasini ne ba ha obetimi aye. Enti yehu ne say we are too proud ye hwehwe animu ade no so me ya de aye.
Yeah.
Nobody was able to do this but ade na aye ba no pushing the right agenda no ye be jaya no ato then we start comparing the skit boys and then Kojo. Na ya babe ubo say ehonom no na the official trailer na you say you promote and no more e ma nya attention no. Na ye gya no na to na ye promote we no. We dey ko Twitter sisi ana kokohwe. Sa okokoye video bi say there's one boy bi I've forgotten his name. Omu twa skit ni bi ni ade. How can you compare this boy of yesterday to Lewen? It's so much. It's not done anywhere. And no
blogger now can odi kwadwachi.
I don't know. Anytime me hu so ben pa. Obo say one boy siki. No mo bobo so bi no mo ye.
I think with boy siki there I feel say bia it's just something they
it shouldn't come to the official page na e promote we no. Eya na be fra de ni bebre.
But don't you also feel like let me be in their shoes and say this. Don't you also feel like you're too concentrated and serious about say a movie in a promote here? Because one thing I learned in marketing is that the best way to promote is when there is no promotion.
Okay.
See it hey. Mimi tina say na ye bokwadwonum. Obi a ofie a movie ni ebedi won komo. But kwadwonum na ye boy na kwa keke no etimi trigger obi adwen say any kwadwo studio.
Okay.
That's true.
You get me? And sometimes I feel like these things also add up. But to the extent of extreme, I understand you.
I don't know me person me can.
But see, who say be wrong with it, but in extreme factor, they understand.
The American says, "Oko Facebook he has a little over 3.1 million followers." That's what the American say.
Okay.
Which most of them mean to me, I can't say omunyina Ghanaians. Now, when these things are going on, it will be hard for other people or more baby or monte china ye cannot to be able to understand what is going on there.
Okay.
The American what I say. And then AI and they are bar a translate and your manual be my people are really looking out to projects. No, they want to have a few trailer now the two on a mind blowing. Trailer now. Just take at least more really what I say. So that is what we should be hammering on. You enjoy comparison any other blog and me finidi your friend say
director only me background
also me nim YouTube for
Papa J
woni mo
waboni din
yeah
Papa J dey me nim no but nkwa na wo kan
boys bi omo okuma say yeah bro
almost try YouTube.
What you say?
Okay.
Oh, into a pushina, even though it's an agenda, but the American say, "Adie we no ye international movie. Once our movies are being featured on Netflix,
but why should they even compare them? Because recently I've watched the movie Kwajone Checheku.
You will be
play leading role. That type of
about
issues.
Like the genesis of this whole thing was. Genesis of this whole thing was like when a country called Ghana finally appeared on Amazon Prime.
Okay.
And everybody was jubilating about it. And then Kojo came out to say now he has seen, we have two big directors that can do movies from Kumasi that can go international.
Oh, okay.
And then the directors came on him like, how can you say no, Kojo can say 3 directors.
Okay.
I'll meet him here international, but 2 and over Mudi. And no ball Jackson Cable too, no ball Fifi Gabi.
Okay.
So the others few say, you know Nana started from day one, any also Mudi or Drew has say, see when your platform, why should you go and mention just 2? So
but we interview no. Was it Kwajo going live? I want to get understanding.
No, was interview with a blogger.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So me, I asked them say akwala bia on say papa na Oscar.
Yeah.
Who say akwala bia on say we are seeing papa na Oscar. Kojo I've worked with couple of directors, almost all of them in Kumasi.
Yeah.
But omo oni omo ye adwuma ene obetima point say omo adwuma e wo Netflix, omo adwuma wo Amazon no. He said it's only 2. And there is nothing wrong with that. Ebi awo ye won hu enipa bebre. Omo aye bi e da ho, but ono de won hu no ye dey oka. So one director came and said, Kojo is not an actor. He's just a comedian. And he even said, Ghana say, cast a comedian, on obey these boys ahead of Kojo. Meanwhile, this same director has been bringing out comedians. Or can't, maybe say, even Kwaku, if we are this director hold him and bring him out. It's not who is 3 best comedian, then Usi Kojo na the 3rd best. Now even comedians now who I'll produce you or monochrome. You couldn't.
Opemsuo.
So me, I just say, let's take it. Say, ABI jealousy or ignorance.
All right, but that I him. Let's
in a nutshell, they may person me can say.
Me about him. Me so going to be more
No problem.
But you see, I feel like everybody is entitled to their opinion. Sure. And they did Captain Ibrahim Traoré movie home. Yeah. Let's bring the focus on that on the movie because it's just like we are becoming them. Because they and we are becoming them.
I get
what you say.
Me person me can say. We should support him. Whether when I was ordering a chassis, whether when I didn't do film, two directors and what they are my movie now, and I could do. So if it is a plus, you should give it to them. Your mom, my boss, so man, I idea.
Now, I could be a ned that mean can send you because they be a man.
They buy any hits into the idea. That's it. What I say. So what I'm trying to say is that he shouldn't lose focus on promoting the real thing. No. And losing focus. Ni distractions.
Okay, I get where you're coming from.
He should just focus and do the right thing. We will be there to support.
He should just focus and do the right thing. Mimi, some besako baby. Yeah, killing with 5 minutes. So, some movie no air premiere on the 2nd.
Yes.
How many shows on the 2nd? Bekoso.
We ain't even predicting.
Okay, but okay, because I wanted to ask say, moye we no CCB no. On say how bigger compared to XG more or more cinema no.
Yeah.
And so I was thinking how because this movie people will be coming.
Sure. Yes.
And you know cinema can I think you've answered it right. Say month me and number to so. But it's going to be based on how the ticket sales is going. So that being said, no tickets and prices near say na Gadafi day we are befa so aton no e give us the prices.
Okay. And a price no single 80 cedis.
Okay.
Double 150. VIP 200.
Single 80 cedis, double 150 cedis, VIP 200 cedis. It's very affordable.
Yes.
Very very affordable.
Yeah, do Ghana.
Ghana so domo.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ghana domo.
Yeah.
Gadafi. Where the other one so be pay tickets ni be ata. Me say ma me pen why na me sure. Yeah, you didn't come near their firm. Oh, okay. It's even on the screen. Okay. All right. So single is going for 80 cedis, double is going for 150 cedis, and VIP is going for 200 cedis. But I'm not seeing the code though.
The code is here.
Okay.
Okay. Mesrem so be pay ticket ni be ata. Code name. Star 713 star 33 star 33 ash.
Pacho Gadafi yensa start bio.
Ghana nkwana short code e watching.
Star 713
sorry. Star 713
star 33
star 33
star 33
star 33 hash.
Yes.
Okay.
Obi opebia to be your dial code where
all right, so movie premiere of Captain Ibrahim Traoré Basso on the
2nd August. Where is Sunyane?
Monsesawe. There is Sunyane there no.
Oh, okay. Across.
Yeah, meeting me a council ni say Miss Ghana for say yepe mami ntwen adana na makoto take it to the door.
Onya binto.
Oh, eba sana na oma choki. Your experience bi Mr. President. Enti me pacha oti wo ya wonya hwi adana wo nto advance ticket ento the background pona se obi anya sutie na still e hwa ye choke ja wo take it to phone so ne betimi de wo wura to kro bi mai den edi wo wura mti me hwa wo mo pa se o me twa bi kra na nsu ato adwembody fo no me to take it ni kra bi na nsu ato na ma ntimi
ya so you dey inside
e che se adwembone me pacha nsu to ja kra mpa ye be yi enti wo de to
Opemsuo Ghana until Bia make sure so be band 1 month ma unya baby.
Okay, so the first show never started time
4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Yes.
I think dates Kalisma check mama second is Saturday.
Yeah.
Then I think I can come for the second show. No, so remember second show say 4 day but see I 4 and I'm not here.
Yeah, sure ma dey achi.
But I can't make it to the red carpet.
So yeah, been no show.
No show.
One thing
but I'll come for the second show.
And they say second no anopa no ye float.
Okay, yeah, I was going to because I mean who be sir.
Ye float. They started from
Pankrono School Park.
Tech. and I bet your t-shirt wear 20,000.
Wow.
That's
Day no.
Yes. So what the can be that they are shebra? Unya be so dia.
Oba benyabi.
But when you say one thing about this promo is your t-shirt some of the political parties on contesting.
Wow.
60,000.
Wow.
Tickets.
Yes.
T-shirt.
No. Hey.
T-shirts are yacha out. Not say ibia ye per return say yibenya sika ye investing into movie.
I know, right?
Back home. But we are trying to put the name of Kumasi on the map again.
Okay.
We're trying to let people know say Kumasi is still working. Because over the kind of promotion the kind of money kojo kika say with the movie ni mo I'm telling you sika or the room no switching the work can be because they are most of them are on drop. Most of them are one year bebusa as say we
miscellaneous.
Even new cars crana wakoto our branding.
I've seen two of them.
Prices. Go and check the prices of the cars out there. Go and check the billboards. Tell me we are in a country whereby the movie industry are not maybe a term and the second highest employing body ever Ghana no. And the industry not good to the extent say our legends are we looking up to them no. Say omu nyina draw back our muko twa short skits. Eja movie na at work. We have one person what stand they say or no kwa he will do his possible best. Said the bear adwuma nyina betinga side. We are attacking him. All that I'm saying is, let's put that aside. Obibia OTBBia, you being part of the film industry or not, this is a film festival that we are celebrating in Kumasi. We need everybody on board. Every person, who feel a part of the entertainment industry, you are invited. Let's come and celebrate movie because it's about time. As I say, a pager Kumawood ABU. This is the first time a movie produced in Kumasi is being shown on Netflix, being shown on Amazon Prime. So let's try and push Ibrahim Traoré also on Netflix. This is our humble request.
All right, director, me man kasapi na men kabi bika so you see sometimes when you are in a particular industry na obi there. Forget about say when you are supporting the person directly. We have what we call the indirect support. Say anybody Kumasi so say the director kaya na me a filmmaker na mo Kumasi indirectly it goes for me for my films. And you know the director kasa tinting na uti efia kasa adena na ni abro kasa nyina ebia na ochina bi you are coming to shoot a movie. Ebia na ochina bi no hu nipa bi ebe get into the movie industry. See etime buama wage na that is where we can build on something to move up. And akwan so bi boto homo obi na efa so aye easy. But se me ame bo a eden inti se kwadwo moto mo ho asiwo na omo bo mimi moto mo asiwo na omo bo Gadafi moto mo asiwo na omo bo a let's just support them. As they said, it's going to be a film festival on the 2nd of August. Almost at a health walk from Pankrono straight to Tech. You just check the distance. Oh, the okokra, it should tell you say at least you exercised. One for your own good. O body na ankasa no because so sorry now wakofaka na akwa adwuma no abefi no abedid no ada so no akofaka just at least just this day ask for permission, join, go for the health walk, go home, take a fresh bath, sleep, wake up 3 o'clock, listen to Opemsuo 104.7 on your way to SG Mall na kwakwohwe movie ni bi. That is what I'm saying. But before that ni edi nkomo bebre ni yakasa bebre na ya amfa kwan abefa so ato ticket na ansa anto dwa bi ma na ya ankasa kranke. So me say isi su bi o pese auto ticket ni bi star 713 star 33 star 33 hash star 713 star 33 star 33 hash na odi auto ticket ni bi. Single ticket 80 cedis and a double ticket 120 cedis. 150 cedis and a VIP ticket 200 cedis. As they said, red carpet 3 o'clock.
Yes.
And show no the fair show will be showing 4 o'clock. The more tickets you buy, the more they can tell you the number of shows they are going to have. Ain't you know, MRN fi safa short code ni biem na to o tickets sisia. Let them know Opemsuo ye kwachi into utie into na the to ticket na star 713 star 33 star 33 hash. Then you just buy a ticket no akwa join the team no to watch the movie on the 2nd of August. As they said, Anopano, it is not just a movie show, it is going to be a movie premiere festival. In Anopano, there is going to be a health walk, ombeche t-shirts, ombeche free pankrono. Oh, there's a pankrono na won't member baby will be
no,
just
no,
wait for us there. You drew you
No,
just
no,
join the
yeah.
vehicle, we move straight to the place. Aside the premiere, red carpets, health work, any other thing be because so and I say young calm or person would do come be and Gadafi wa mimi wa na yen fan sorry so.
No ano no dwumadie na si. Ne nyina no.
Mimi do nyanka wa da o.
Dwumadie na si say ye be nante na eno say I fan. Yeah, but I nyaw die ni bia say kutu say bam die chire baby a wo pɛ say adoa na wo pɛ say wo sa na wo di adoa fom. Soloku and now the soloku for like a gospel a fan. It's all day.
All right.
So,
Mimi for last words to us on that. Yenti Gadafi so.
Me pasha the American you say Ghana for Miss Remo. Me a made share Madin in Akon can Salomon. Or ya dear or Boka ye Ghana Edana Kumaso. Ain't Messrek Ghana for ye na say on the 2nd August. Omumayam Puli. Oza oya de na se opesa amanfo he no mbehwe a ehyew nkurai e ma de obeye no eye kese akra chen enti mesra wo mo Saturday 2nd August de uye bia ma me papa mesra wo jai ne be so yemu be ka ye ho na ye nyina ye mboa ye de hye konkono legendary Kwajo and Kansana ono so ani so ade hunu se opesa Ghana ekọ afana nyina no emre mo ma no thank you.
All right, thank you. Baby out here in Kabiana, just try to get a ticket and go and support. And Rami who na me who lewin video no Javi.
Oh bro.
And he was with the team, everything was going on. Like you could see him moving from places to places, always live on TikTok. Now Okasa. But you think Gadafi so last words for a TA for any inquiry be or will be I top so chill be so Adama obeti me so I cheer.
Penyinfo se de ofu duapa
Any piano.
Ye nua kodio cancel away ofu duapa ti Ghana fo nyina mesrem se mommoa ni piano mommoa mi piano na de pawo fia
Oye
kakra meka no.
All right, if one me say si subiem e the amount say nyame ya adoma on the 2nd of August and I Premier Captain Ibrahim Traoré movie ewo eye SG Mall tickets no air cost single 80 cedis and double no air cost for 150 cedis and a VIP no air cost for 200 cedis. It is what here in Kansas here now file phone na no about star 713 star 33 star 33 hash na or the ato or ticket. We had Mimi in the studio, we had Gadafi in the studio, and a director one senior man and Ankasa Sohan. We had a beautiful conversation. Show no young point, you better also, but you be genuine Quina or Mako, then we keep updating
Point
you people.
of correction, your director Big Mats.
Director Matt. Okay, yeah, Nidino, it doesn't really stick. So thanks for the correction, Mimi. But that's all we need help.
Oh, Mayo.
Director Matt Suofia, he was the one talking about we supporting Kumase and trying to push the agenda of Kumawood.